Hello, I'm Jamie, the founder of Latitude, and this is just a very quick demo of our virtual events platform. Moving around the space is nice and easy. Just move the left, right, up, and down buttons on your keypad. To zoom in or out, just use two fingers like you would on a phone or a trackpad, and zoom in and out like so. And if I get lost and want to find out exactly where I'm sat, all I've got to do is use this location symbol at the top here, and there I am over on table 4. To move table and chat with other people, all you've got to do is hover your mouse over a different table and double click. And there you can see I've moved from table 4 to table 22. And I can do the same for table 18 and again for table 19. To see less of the floor plan and more of the people sat at your table, just click on the View button here and choose Gallery. We've also got presentation mode, which we use for webinars, panel discussions, masterclasses, and the start and end of every event that we do. When you come out of presentation mode, you may find that your camera and your microphone have been switched off by default. So just double check the buttons at the bottom of your screen, mic off to on and camera off to on. There we go. You've also got 3 different chat options. So at the bottom, click on chat. You've got general chat to send a message to everyone at the event. You've got table chat just to send a message to the people only sat at your table. And then private chat lets you send a message to just one person at the event. So I can click this plus button here, click on Martin, and then send him a quick message just like that. You've also got a few options to share emojis and reactions, thumbs up, applause, heart icon, whatever you want, the basics are there. If you want to find out more information about any person at the event, just hover over their icon, click, and it'll expand a digital business card. To edit your business card, just click the icon in the top right here, and then you've got options there to add your company, your job title, your calendar, Facebook, LinkedIn, and your website. If you want to see a list of every single person at the event, just click on the Participants button at the bottom, and if there's any particular person you want to send a message to or locate at the event, just use those options there. Throughout the event, you may also see some countdown timers and some announcements at the top of your screen. These are just little icebreaker questions or discussion topics to keep the conversation flowing. Now, if you're joining one of our matchmaking events, such as the upcoming speed networking sessions, you don't need to worry about jumping between tables. These have already been pre-assigned based on the profiles that you create after you've booked your spot. We use an advanced natural language processing algorithm to match and pair you with people at tables based on your interests. So if you have any questions during the event, you can always join me at a table or use the chat function to send a general message or a private message directly to me, and I'll come to your aid as fast as I can. Hope to see you very soon at one of our upcoming events.